The Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition offers off-road truck enthusiasts an even wider selection of unique content for even greater personalization and features a unique combination of technology, graphics, performance, and exterior appearance straight from the factory. Available with the Rebel Level 2 equipment group and the 5.7-liter Hemi e-Torque V8 engine, the Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition features a 12-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen with off-road pages, black side view mirrors, heated front seats and steering wheel, and an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat. Other features include an exclusive Baja yellow exterior paint color, a Rebel graphic on the hood and bed, black badging, bumper and grille, and 18-inch gloss black wheels. Select Speed Control is new on Ram 1500 Rebel for 2023 and allows the truck to maintain consistent speed while traversing variations in slope. Select Speed Control applies engine torque and brake pressure to help keep a consistent pace, allowing the driver to focus on steering. The Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition is available at a starting price of $70,310, plus $1,895 destination. New 2023 Ram 1500 Rebel Havoc Edition models, available in extremely limited quantities, go on sale later this spring. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest car releases, prices, and specifications. I'll see you next time.